amigos, Hannah from Speak Better Spanish here. I have a new Mexican Spanish expression for you that I only learned after spending a lot of time here with my Mexican friends. And that is an unusual use of the word siempre. So you might know that the word siempre means always. Great, pretty straightforward, right? But we actually use it here in Mexico to mean actually. So, or like, kind of to ask for an update, right? So I might say to my friends, Siempre si van a ir mañana. So are you actually going to go tomorrow, or are you really planning to go tomorrow? Like kind of as an update, right? Maybe before I had asked them, si van a ir mañana, or si van a ir el sábado, el domingo, whatever day it is. And they would probably say, yeah. But then I would say, Siempre si van a ir? So like actually or really like asking for an update, basically.